Hello Dnation and welcome back to an unbox and review episode. In today's episode we're going to be unboxing a Honda Repsol Team 118 scale 2018 MotoGP Super bike which is manufactured by Maisto. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, let's begin by taking a look at the packaging, which seems to be premium as always. This diecast bike comes in a Honda affiliated window type blister boxing manufactured by Maisto with all the product branding and information. So let's go ahead and take a look at this packaging before we set this beauty free. Now, with that out of the way, let's crack this thing open, and please be careful while using sharp objects and keep in mind to keep these diecast motorcycles away from children below the age of 5 as the tiny parts can be hazardous. So keeping this in mind, let's get this opened. Grandprix motorcycles are purpose-built racing machines that are generally unavailable to purchase by the general public or able to be ridden legally on public roads. This contrasts between the various production-based categories of racing. So today, if not for the real deal, I could at least take pride in unboxing this licensed replica of the Team Repsol Honda Super bike. This signature number 93 Marc Márquez 2018 Repsol Honda Team Grandprix Super bike diecast model looks quite premium like its life-size counterpart with attention to the minutest of details and has a good build quality to it, and also has quite a bit of intricate detailing with the paint apps and team affiliated decals. And this model is manufactured mostly of diecast and a few components made of ABS plastic, which makes it premium looking. This model measures in at 4.8 inches in length, 3.8 inches in height, 2 inches in width and weighs in at about 110 grams. This model also comes with trademark paint apps with standard branding details and also has free rolling wheels, a race stand, excellent suspension and a lot more intricate details, which makes it a premium collectible and functional as well. I'm happy that I made a choice to get this variation as I'll be able to add this to my ever-growing 118 scale superbike collection. And with this model you're guaranteed a replica which is built to last and will warm the hearts of any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist. So with that being said, now let's place this diecast beauty on the Dnation dyno and check out its wheel spin and suspension. And kindly find further features and specifications regarding this premium diecast model in the description below. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with this premium 2018 MotoGP Superbike. So with that being said, let's place this licensed diecast model on the Dnation turntable and take a look at this beauty in a 360-degree view. And here are a few fun facts. Repsol Honda is an official factory team of Repsol and the Honda Racing Corporation in the MotoGP World Championship. Repsol makes their debut in the Motorcycle World Championships with Derbi and Ángel Nieto, who wins the championship in the 125cc category. This is the start of a long history that links Repsol to motorcycling. In 2013, Marc Márquez, the official rider of Team Honda Repsol, was declared the youngest MotoGP World Championship in history. The Márquez era has started, a period with no end in sight, with the colors of the Repsol team draped around it. In 2014, Marc Márquez continued to break records, becoming two-time world champion in MotoGP. In 2016, Marc Márquez wins the 5th World Championship in all categories, the 3rd in MotoGP. He is the youngest 5-time champion in history of MotoGP, and this is an achievement he had won whilst competing at Repsol's side. And for further information on Honda Repsol, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this 1/18 scale licensed diecast motorcycle that is featured in today's video, I'll drop the Best Buy link in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested, and also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts on this 2018 Grandprix Superbike. And kindly continue to support Dnation by subscribing, liking and sharing our videos, and stay tuned for a lot more exciting MotoGP episodes coming up. And this brings us to the end of this amazing unbox and review episode. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this particular episode, kindly do drop your comments below. And stay tuned for a lot more exciting episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.